First TV checking in. Salute to that military for dropping them bombs on that like button before we get lit. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment for your boy Snake Eyes, because I gets in them comments. Hey, and whatever you do in your life, I don't care who you playing with, don't play with that like button when you're over here at Bomb First TV. Let's get right into it. Y'all already know Tekashi 6ix9ine has been trending. He has been dominating the blogs, the internet. Everything we need to know and learn about 6ix9ine court hearing. On Monday morning in the courtroom, Tekashi 6ix9ine, he did not speak other than to acknowledge that he has seen the charges against him. He mostly kept his eyes towards the judge. Smart move, young man. Occasionally looking behind him and yawning. He was represented by Lance Lazaro and a new addition to his legal team, Don Florio. Monday court hearing followed last week's indictment of 6ix9ine, his former manager Shotty, and 4 of their associates on a variety of racketeering-related crimes. The indictment, which also can be found here, is the defendants being members of a criminal organization, also known as the 9 Trey Gang Blood. Treyway! Oh, I'm sorry, I had to do that. 1 week after their initial indictment, 4 of the 6 defendants were in downtown Manhattan courtroom to be arraigned and determine their next steps, y'all. But let me get to this, y'all. Your boy Shotty say they don't bend, they don't break, they don't fold. It's Treyway. Y'all, to the judge, y'all. Is this man not crazy or what, y'all? To the judge, bruh. Man, what is, man, you know, 6ix9ine, you know you ain't had no reason being around people that think like this, man. This man could be facing the rest of his life in jail. Bruh say they don't bend, they don't break, they don't fold. Is Treyway. And I'm paraphrasing, so don't be looking up, he didn't say exactly that. But I'm paraphrasing, man. This makes no sense, man. 6ix9ine is in a world of trouble. He trying to get out. He got some high-powered lawyers. They speaking on his behalf. Even one of them, Dawn, the new female lawyer, said he was a genius. He is a marketing genius. But I think everybody has come to pretty much know that. He did that marketing from day one since he came out. But we're going to see. But his next court date is in September of next year. So we don't know. This wasn't a bail hearing. He may still get bail. It just wasn't a bail hearing, so they didn't do it at this time. So we're going to see what's going on, Bomb First Military. But I'm going to let you hear the lawyers speak and see what you think about Shotty and 6ix9ine being arraigned today and being in the court today, and just see what's going on. Like, share, and subscribe. Run it up. Yes, sir.
I'm outside federal court here with the defense team for Daniel Hernandez, better known to many of hip-hop fans around the world as Tekashi 6ix9ine. And we just had a very long hearing. He was arraigned on the charges along with the other co-defendants. And I want you to hear from the lawyers, because there's been a lot of talk about what this is all about. And this is Mr. Lance Lazaro right here and Ms. Dawn Florio. And Lance, what do you think about this case?
I think it's a far-reaching indictment that Mr. Hernandez has very little involvement with, other than basically using his social media to promote his music. As far as being part of this Treyway blood gang, completely false, and I think that will come out in court when the facts are brought out.
Now, in the court papers, they talk about him meeting with them, or incidents going back to 2013. But tell me why you have a problem with that date.
He doesn't know any. He did not meet any of these individuals until September of 2017.